Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. As you can see, I have a lovely golden glow on my face because it is evening. We're walking into the sun. Watch. There you are. That's why I'm looking like this. Anywho, we're heading into Epcot. We're going to meet up with the Goforths from the Chris Goforth channel. Link in the description down below. Please go across and subscribe. He is so close to 1,000 subscribers. It's not right. He should be. So go and subscribe. Get him over the 1,000. Anywho, we're going to go around the world and we're going to have some food and then we're going to watch fireworks and then all that good stuff. Monorail.
Tram. So for the courtesy of myself and others, please no smoking of any kind while aboard our tram today.
Ooh, I was just thinking, whilst you're subscribing to Chris, you may as well hit that subscribe button right now on my channel too, if you haven't done so already. If you have already, don't hit it because then you'll unsubscribe and that's not good. You need to subscribe. Isn't she a beauty? Spaceship Earth in golden hour. And speaking of Chris Goforth,
Hey!
there he is, we found him.
I'm here.
In a cool Bucky's t-shirt. Well, shirt. Shirt.
I was channeling Nate. So
Channeling Nate.
yeah.
Paging Mr. Morrow.
Yes, since we were at Magic Kingdom and heard them paging them when we were on the People Mover.
That's correct.
I definitely.
Hey! Northern. So we're going to try a crispy duck bao bun with hoisin sauce. So here is our crispy duck bao bun
With a pickle.
with a gherkin pickle. Blech.
Just a duck hot dog? So my turn now that Emma ate all the horrible part.
Good evening. Tonight at 9 o'clock, we invite you to join us for Luminous, the Symphony of Us, a dazzling fireworks spectacular featuring fountains, lights, and original music that celebrates the
I'm a bit
magic
busy,
that
Mr. Epcot.
happens when our voices sound together in a symphony of human connection. We hope you'll join us for Luminous, the Symphony of Us, beginning this evening at 9 o'clock.
Finish? Thank you. Allow me to retort. Yes, that is absolutely delicious. Now that Emma has ate all the fat in the skin, the rest of it is really, really nice. Mm-hmm. No.
Isn't she used to just eating the fat and skin? Anyway.
I think I kind of underplayed that duck. It so far it's probably the best thing I've had at World Showcase. Yeah, that's a hard one to say, isn't it?
And he's picky, so that's saying a lot.
Well, the pickle went that way. Anywho, so I've been instructed off Emma to go to the Alps and get some warm raclette Swiss cheese with alpine ham. This comes with baby potatoes, whatever the hell they are, and a baguette. So there you have the raclette cheese underneath the heater, making a fondue at the top, which she will then scrape onto the potatoes. That's not ready yet. So we got the raclette without the ham. Emma decided she didn't want the meat, and that's not the first time I've heard that.
I'm just taking these out of your way.
Yeah, I found out what those things were. Baby pickles.
baby pickles.
but they had some weird name.
It's like a macaroni cheese
I don't know.
casserole. It's delicious.
So how's your stinky cheese?
I haven't tried it, but I know it's going to be nice.
How's the stinky cheese? Stinky cheese. So Emma's made me a little stinky cheese potato sandwich. It's okay. Yeah. Italia. I'm going to try the Polpatine Toscani. Beef meatballs, rosemary focaccia, and pomodoro sauce. Tomato sauce.
Okay, in Italy we got a couple samples of cheesecake with strawberry sauce
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so.
and whipped cream. Terry got some balls, bread, and marinara sauce.
Italian margarita and Prosecco. Only one this time.
So, let me get these balls in my mouth.
Is this where you got that sweet red one the other day, though?
Yeah, pop those balls in your mouth.
Let me give these a go. They're not bad.
Because that was good.
You enjoying the sweaty balls?
I'm enjoying the balls. What I will say is, I used to work in an Italian restaurant, and polpetti were real meat. These feel more your canned meatballs. So I also got the cheesecake with a strawberry sauce from Italia. And I never thought cheesecake was Italian, but hey ho, I guess I learn something new every day.
That cheesecake was divine. Delicious. You don't like it?
Tell Emma it was horrible. That's a deep. You as well. Tell Emma that was horrible in the comments. Yeah, because you're not getting any of this. So Emma has got me this drink. Focus. Don't know what it is. So apparently it's some sort of limoncello spritzer cocktail. Apparently does not taste. Why won't it focus? Does not taste at all of limoncello. Flavors of America. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Chris and Deb are getting a chocolate cake with a bourbon sauce from the America Pavilion.
Well,
Apparently it's not just hot dogs to do.
bourbon is an American beverage. Created in America.
Yeah, it's just a copy of Scotch. Next!
How dare he?
I dared. That goes there.
It's a bit nutty.
Okay, Austin. I'm not sure I can leave the American Pavilion just yet because they are playing my jam. The torches around the lake have lit up. That can mean one thing. It's nearly Lumios time. And Epcot table for two.
That was difficult.
So we got ourselves a lamb hero.
Looks like they're all in a ring.
They probably are.
That's quite a portion.
They're all trying to get on Remy while we grab.
That was delicious. Real nice. Emma's pinched off of it. How's your hero? Good? I know I am. Hero. No?
This is my half.
You can eat the rest. You can see World Showcase Lagoon is lit up all the way around. People are waiting for the fireworks in 15 minutes and the fire torches are all lit, like I said earlier. Like she said, it's kind of exciting. So Tristan, you're not Tristan, you're Chris. So Chris has got himself some cheese bread balls from Brazil, and I know exactly how they will taste because I have them at Rio when I go for a steak.
That's why I eat these, because when we go to like Chama Gaucho, which is our Brazilian steakhouse, they put these out in the basket, and I will eat all of this more than I will meat. And like, we even snuck some out once. We like got the bowl, put them in a napkin, had Debbie stuck it in her purse, and then went back to them. Oh, these are delicious.
So what do you think?
Delicious.
Yeah. Nothing like some cheesy balls.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Just 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I got a third to share.
Yeah. Is that this share?
No. Look at that on the top. I'm still watching for my son and daughter.
Come on, get some meat in your mouth.
Okay. This is tasty meat.
I can make mine tasty. As good as normal? Yeah. Now, they used to do this with mashed potatoes, not the roast potatoes. And I thought it wasn't going to be as good. I have had this a couple of times since we've been here on this holiday. And I actually prefer it with the little miniature roast potatoes. So I'm not going to film myself eating it, because that's the same reaction. Right there. I bet that plane was frightened because it nearly hit it.
Reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. Unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Through the trees all the time, like the sun and the just like the symphony, different from me. So go ahead, sing your song. I'll be there. Don't stop your crying, it'll be alright. Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out.
Well, with all this copyrighted music in the background, I'm going to try and talk over the top of it. That's the first time I've seen that show, and I loved it. Obviously, I couldn't show much to you because of copyrighted music, and I want to get paid for these videos.
Good evening. On
Him again?
behalf of everyone here at Epcot,
Every time I try and do a clip, he interrupts me. Mr. Epcot.
Discovery, innovation, and the magic of human connection. From its opening day,
Chris
the
is
goal
drunk.
of Epcot has been to entertain.
He's driving all over. I'm really worried he's going to knock me over.
But above all, to celebrate a world in which we celebrate each other. Until we see you again, have a safe trip home. Good night.
Anywho, yes. So I really loved that show. Anywho, that's what I was trying to get to say. Well, I guess that's going to do it for tonight here at Epcot and Mickey and Friends. Don't forget what I said about Chris. There'll be a link in the description down below. Go see his channel, subscribe to it. He is... Oh, you went dark. Come on, come back. There you are. He is painfully close to 1,000 subscribers, and it would be really great if you could help along and get him to that 1,000. Anywho, I shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job. But look at that first. Look at it! Look at it!